Hello everybody, welcome to the ETABS and SAFE course. As we said before, that when we have a lateral load, seismic or wind load, our building has a story displacement. The building must not exceed the allowable story displacement limit. The allowable limit of story displacement equal to L over 500. Well, L is the height of the structure on millimeter. Our structure, if we go to the ETABS, we press on the show in the forward shape, the height of our structure equal to 49 meter. So the limit of story displacement equal to 49,000. We convert it to the millimeter, divide by 500 equal to 98. So the story displacement of our structure that must not exceed 89 millimeter. So we want to show the story displacement of our structure and the two direction x and y, and this the story displacement and this two direction must not exceed the allowable story displacement. To do this thing, we go to display story response plots. We work with dynamic case, so we want to check the story displacement on dynamic load. We can also check them on static load. First of all, display type max story displacement. We change here, we put here the load that we want to show on it. We begin with spec X. With spec X, we show here that maximum story displacement R and the story 16. We show here that we have 86 millimeter. The max story displacement equal to 86 millimeter. Below 98 millimeter, so we are safe. For spec Y, we have a maximum story displacement equal to 62, so we are safe. And for the static we have 98 millimeter equal to the limit, so we are safe. Here in VXP we have 105 millimeter above the allowable, but in this project we didn't design the column. When we increase the section of columns, the story displacement decrease, so we can say that this story displacement is safe for the structure. We will check it after when we design the column and increase the section of the columns, because when increasing the section of the columns, the rigidity of the building increase, so the story displacement decrease. For VYN below the allowable, so VYP below the allowable, so we are safe against story displacement. Thank you for listening. We will continue in the next lecture.